Here we come to the elevator at the Student Center at Rice University in Houston, Texas. I do apologize that I have no other choice than to mute the audio and replace it with a voiceover because there is music blasting right next to this elevator. But as soon as we get inside the elevator cab, the audio will be unmuted for the rest of the entire video. B? Anyways, sorry that the audio was muted just a while ago because there is music playing and I had no other choice than to mute out the audio to avoid getting a copyright claim, even though it's not a copyright strike. Anyways, we're gonna go to 2. Listen to this motor. Down to B. This is a nice elevator. This is a beautiful cab. I've always been wanting to check out this elevator for quite a long time, and I finally get to do so. Anyways, I don't even know what brand this elevator is. Does anybody know? If you know what brand this elevator is, please leave it in the comments below. I don't know if it's either an Esco or Otis or something. Or either an Esco, Otis, or Dover. I don't know which. Look how old that door track is. Look at that. Very 50s. Alright, I'm gonna let you listen to this motor. Here we go. Indicators completely burn out. Again, I do apologize for the audio muted and having me to voice over. At least I get to voice over, so that shouldn't be too much of a problem. Alright, let's get on the B. Alright, we'll go for one more ride, and after that, I'm gonna demonstrate something. This elevator also parks at the basement floor, if you don't know. Again, I absolutely love this elevator. Even though it got a GAL mod. But according to a maintenance man I just talked to, this thing was installed in 1957. Anyways, watch this. See, it goes all the way down to the basement and it parks there. While we're going down, I want to get one last detailed view. See, I love the brass handrail. This right here is the only thing that was added on, is an ADA compliant foam. And I absolutely love the tray lighting. It's still leveling, and we just fully stopped. You see the door doesn't open. See, the elevator just parks here, which is quite interesting. Anyways, I'm gonna let you hear the motor one more time, and then we're gonna end the video at 1. But I'm not gonna watch the door close because the music is playing way too audibly loud, and it's hard for me to drown it out. So we'll go for one more ride. I'm sorry for taking for so much rides because this thing is a pure history that deserved a detailed view. So go for one more ride. And we will go back down to 1 end there. Look at this, the button doesn't even light up. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If I hadn't said this already, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of this beautiful old vintage elevator here in the Student Center at Rice University. Definitely one of the best elevators here on the campus. And I've been wanting to film this for a long time, so. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the camera here. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that will be it.